Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make smarter purchases without losing your sanity or your wallet. Today, we're diving into the world of mops. Yes, I said mops, because nothing says party time like a good old-fashioned cleaning showdown. In the left corner, we have the Shark S7001 mop. This bad boy is ready to tackle your floors with all the grace of a gazelle on roller skates. And in the right corner, we have the Shark Steam and Scrub S8001, the mop that scrubs, steams, and probably even sings you a lullaby if you ask nicely. Let's see which one is the heavyweight champion of hard floor cleaning. First up, let's talk about the price. The S7001 is surprisingly effective at cleaning, especially for homes with pets, and is budget-friendly, making it a great option for those looking to save money. Meanwhile, the S8001, priced at $139, is a more premium option that offers advanced features like scrubbing and sanitizing, which users find very convenient and efficient. Reviewers appreciate the value for the price when it comes to the S8001, noting its ability to handle tough stains and sanitize surfaces effectively. Next, let's get into cleaning power. The S7001 is noted for its easy use and efficiency, especially in homes with multiple pets. But it doesn't have the same level of scrubbing power as the S8001. The S8001, on the other hand, is praised for its incredible cleaning power, scrubbing at over 150 scrubs per minute. Reviewers highlight its effectiveness in removing dirt and sticky residue, making it a favorite for those who want a deep clean without much effort. Now, the S7001 has a simple design with a good handle, making it easy to use, but it lacks additional features. Reviewers mention the need for a new steamer with more advanced features. In contrast, the S8001 boasts 3 steam modes for different cleaning needs and powerful LED headlights. Users love its versatility and ease of use, especially for cleaning tough spots, making it a standout product in the market. Let's talk versatility. The S7001 is a straightforward mop that does its job, but it doesn't offer much in terms of versatility. Reviewers find it adequate for basic cleaning, but it doesn't impress. On the other hand, the S8001 is described as a cleaning chameleon, effective on all sealed hard floors and easy to maneuver around furniture. Users appreciate its ability to handle different floor types and the convenience it brings to their cleaning routines. Overall, the Shark S7001 mop receives praise for its affordability and efficiency, especially in homes with pets, but it's considered basic compared to the more advanced S8001. The Shark Steam and Scrub S8001 is highly rated for its powerful cleaning capabilities, innovative features, and versatility, making it a favorite among those willing to invest a bit more for superior cleaning performance. So to sum it all up, the S7001 is budget-friendly, but it's like using a flip phone in a smartphone world. Meanwhile, the S8001 is a bit pricier, but it's got the features and power to make your floor shine like they just won a beauty pageant. So if you want to mop like a champ, the S8001 is your best bet. If you want to save some cash and don't mind putting in the legwork, the S7001 might just do the trick. And remember, no matter which mop you choose, just keep your floors cleaner than your ex's excuses. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.